How to apply as a contributor in Newsbreak outside the US. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So, currently, Newsbreak's contributor program is mainly for the people in the United States. If you live outside the US, like in other countries, it might be difficult to join. So, can you apply from outside the US? Although Newsbreak focuses on US contributors, some people outside the US have managed to register. However, features like earning money are generally only available to US residents. So the monetization policy states that the contributors must be in the US to get paid, which is in creators.newsbreak.com. So if you want to share content but you're not in the US, here are some things that you can do. So share content without getting paid. You can still build your writing samples and audience by sharing good content, even if you don't get paid. Look at other platforms or websites like Medium, Vocal Media, or Substack allow writers from anywhere in the world and offer ways to earn money. So you can also check the Newsbreak's website or help section regularly for any updates to their rules that might allow the international contributors. Earning money is generally only for the contributors in the US. So if you don't live in the US, you can still share content, but you probably won't get paid. So other platforms might be better for international writers who want to earn money. So that's it for the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.